Hey, I'm so glad you're joining me today. This is Stephen Price on Grow Together. I was just looking at my little moss plant right here, thinking about what's going to happen to it. Well, I know what's going to happen to it. It's going to become like this moss plant down here. Okay? It's going to get there. Just takes a little faith. You know, in our life, okay, we may not think that a little moss plant or what little we can give can make a difference. But you know what? That's not true. We'll never know the impact that we may have on others. In the Bible, there's this story about this little boy, and he went to hear Jesus preach. There's 5,000 plus people, and afterwards, Jesus wanted to feed the people. And there was no food except for this little boy who brought his sack lunch. And then Peter found him. And Peter told Jesus about him. And Jesus said, well, bring the food to me first. And when Jesus touched the food, then they started to feed the people. And all 5,000 people were fed, plus, more than that, all they wanted to eat. And there was food left over. Now, we might not think that what we have can do very much, but with the touch of God, it can do a whole lot. Scripture tells us this. In Proverbs 18:16, a gift opens the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great. Isn't that great? You know, we have a friend that plays the piano. It's a great talent. And on Facebook, just a few weeks ago, she decided to play every single night, and she took requests. And it was just beautiful, and it touched so many people's lives. We have another friend, and she loves to sing. And she'll sing in nursing homes. And she will never know what impact she had in one of those individuals' lives because she went and sang a song. You see, you can give with your talent. You can give with your time. You can give with your money. There's so many things that you can do that God can touch. And here's what I want to do. This is kind of like my challenge to you. And if you'd leave me a comment in where it says comment, ask God to make you aware of something that has a need, okay? Something that has a need. And ask God to give you a giving heart. And then, first off, give that gift to God. Ask Him to bless it, whatever it is. And don't let the devil tell you it's not enough. Because with God, it is enough. And then you just give that to God, and you just watch God be God. Boy, isn't that great news? Hey, folks, remember to allow God to work in you this week. This is Stephen Price on Grow Together. Anything's possible with God. Think it now.